Okay, so here are the approved plans from the City of Chicago for this project. Again, this is a brick 2-flat, typical brick 2-flat that we're converting to a single family property. This is what it looks like currently, and it will look like that once it's converted as well. We are going to take this awning out and have brown windows instead of the white windows in the front. And then the back porch is pretty much going to stay the same. We're just going to shift some of these windows over and eliminate some of them because there's going to be a staircase here. But we are incorporating this back porch into the square footage of the property. As you'll see here, this is the demo plan, just showing that we're completely gutting the inside of the property down to the brick. So it's going to be all new framing throughout the property. Basically, we're just working with the existing shell of the brick 2-flat. Outside pretty much stays the same. So as you come in, this is what the new floor layout is going to look like. You're going to walk in through the front door here, walk into a living room and dining room. It's going to be pretty much open concept on the right side of the property all the way down. Your staircase, the client did not want to have stairs, looking at stairs as they walked in, so we're turning the stairs, doing U-shaped this way, going up. So you'll be going up from here to the second floor, and a coat closet right here. Powder room on the first floor. Kitchen is going to start here with a nice sized island, and then we also have a bedroom on this floor. This is the 4th bedroom above grade, and then you'll be able to exit through here, go down to the outside. In the basement of this, we do need to do some structural work, and on this one as well, we have some new beams that are coming in to this property here and here, and that transfers over to the basement on these. So we're doing new footings to hold the new staircase, and we're putting new beams right here to hold that open layout on the second floor and first floor. Actually, the first floor. We are changing the joist entirely on this basement floor. So you'll walk down to the basement from here down. Here's the living room. It's going to have a full bathroom. Here's the utility room with the furnace and a utility sink. And then there's going to be a 5th bedroom here in the basement. This house is a little bit different. It does have this offset from your typical Chicago 2-flat. So it's not just your regular rectangle like a conventional house. It has this offset built into it. So it's a little bit different, challenging as far as how the layout worked. And I think we did a pretty good job on determining what layout works best for this property. You're going to be able to walk out. It has an enclosed gangway here to the outside. And then on the second floor, you come up the stairs this way, those U-shaped stairs, into a reading nook area here. Have a couple closets, and then to the right, you could go, which is the front of the house, is going to be the master suite. So a nice large 270 square foot bedroom with a huge walk-in closet right here. And then the master bath with a stand-up shower, double sink. So that's the master suite. And you come down this way. On the other side of the house, you have 2 more bedrooms. Bedroom number 3 and number 4. Bedroom number 3 here has a walk-in closet of its own. Here's that back porch square footage that we're incorporating into the build. There's going to be a laundry room right here on the second floor. And then these 2 bedrooms share this bathroom. So as you can see, it's pretty spacious. It's very economical to do this, better than to actually have a client like these clients here went and got a HomeStyle loan. They went and got funding for this project. What we did is we found them the 2-flat. We worked together to find the 2-flat. Actually, this one they found on their own. It was a for sale by owner. We helped negotiate the deal for them. So we helped in acquisition, helped determine the after repair value of what the 2-flat's going to be worth. So this way that we know that it'll appraise, so they can get a loan from the bank to pay for the construction cost. Construction cost on this one plus the acquisition is all rolled into one loan, and we work with the bank together as the contractors to do the job. So basically we put together a scope of work, present the project to the bank. Bank approves it pending the appraisal. Appraisal came back fine on this one, of course, and we closed on the property. And we started working on a demo last week, actually, on this project in McKinley Park. Again, that's just a little bit of the layout, and why this is economical is if you're looking to buy a rehab that's already done, what you're doing essentially is you're eliminating the investor. The investor on a project like this is going to look to maybe profit $90,000 minimum on a project this size, and plus they have the cost of the sale. So a project this size, you're looking at a difference of about $130,000 that you have room to work with to do the project on your own, if that makes sense. So basically, you would be paying $130,000 more for this property, because the investor went ahead and did it for you. Whereas you're doing it, you're acquiring the property, you're hiring a contractor like ourselves to do the job for you. Yes, you have time to wait on this, but you get to choose your finishes. You get to be part of the project. Would want to do. You do need to maintain the cost of holding a property that you're not living in. So this is not for everybody. You do need to have to be able to qualify to do this. But if you can qualify, this can save you at least 50, 60, up to $100,000 in cost when compared to buying one that's already done. So if you're interested in this, keep watching the videos of the progress below. This was the layout of the property at 3545 Hoyne, and you'll see the videos below of demo, and then as the work is being completed, I'm going to update the videos and you'll be able to see the progress of this project.